In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping in Wix. Full tutorial 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create regions, pick delivery methods, and set the right rates so your customers see accurate costs at checkout. First, open your site in the Wix editor. On the left, click the settings icon, the little gear in the menu, head to Business Solutions, and open Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. This is your control center for everything related to shipping. If the wording looks slightly different in your dashboard, don't worry. Wix sometimes updates labels, but the flow is the same. Next, create your first shipping region. Look for shipping regions or manage regions and choose create region or add region. Give your region a clear name, something like Europe, USA, and Canada or international, so it's easy to manage later. Click Next, then add the countries or areas that belong in this region. You can include multiple destinations, which is great if several locations share the same shipping rules. Think of a region as a bucket that groups places with identical delivery options and prices. With your destination selected, it's time to decide how you'll get orders to customers. Choose from shipping for parcels, local delivery if you deliver nearby, or pickup for in-store or drop-off collection. If you choose shipping, you'll set the rate type. You can offer free shipping, a flat rate, or a rate based on weight, price, or quantity, depending on what's available in your account. For a simple flat rate example, create a method called standard shipping. Enter a price such as $7.99 in your store's currency, and click Add to Save. Clear names help customers understand what they're choosing, and consistent pricing keeps your checkout predictable. If your catalog varies a lot in size or weight, consider using weight, price, or quantity rules for more precise costs. You can repeat the same process to add more regions, maybe one for domestic, another for international, or even specific countries if you need tailored rates. Assign a suitable rate to each region so the correct shipping cost appears automatically at checkout. This keeps your pricing transparent and avoids surprises for your customers. Before you wrap up, review everything to make sure your regions and rates look right. When you're ready, click Publish in the top right corner to push your shipping rules live. A quick test checkout after publishing is a smart way to confirm customers see exactly what you intend. That's how you set up shipping regions in Wix. By creating regions, assigning destinations, and choosing flat or free shipping rates, you can control where you ship and how much customers pay. All right from the shipping, delivery, and fulfillment settings. Thanks for watching.